Hey art friends, today we're going to draw Mabel as a beaver from the movie Hoppers. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. We're using our markers to draw and color with. Remember, it's okay if your drawings don't look exactly like mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. All right, let's get started. Let's first draw Mabel's nose. In the middle of our paper, we're going to draw the letter V about this size. Then we're going to draw the top of her nose, curving around and connecting. Then we can draw her mouth. Let's draw a short line down from her nose, and then we're going to draw a curve coming out to the side and out to this side. I'm going to draw this coming up a little bit further around like that. We could also add little cheek lines too. And then let's draw her teeth. We'll draw a short line down from the middle, and then we could draw it curving around and curving on the side too. It's starting to look like her. Now we can draw her eyes next. Let's draw a circle. We're going to draw it about this big. And we can draw another one. They look really big. But we're going to draw her pupils inside. Let's draw a circle this size on each side. And then we can color those in. I'm going to make these a little bit bigger, actually, and we'll touch the inside of the eye. Oh, this one got really big. That's okay. They're gonna look crazy. And we can use a white colored pencil to add a highlight back in, or even a gel pen, or you could just leave a little circle white too when you're coloring it in. Okay, now let's draw her head. We're gonna draw the top of her head first. We're gonna draw it curving like this over, and we could stop and add little zigzags to at the top, and then we can curve back down on the other side. And then we can draw her ears. I'm gonna draw little ears sticking out on both sides. Okay, next let's draw her cheeks, and we're gonna draw them fuzzy, so I'm gonna draw little zigzags curving around, and we can do the same thing on the side. This one got really round. And then we can draw her body coming down. So I'm going to draw it coming down on both sides, but we can also add little zigzags as you come down. So you could add zigzags. They don't have to be the same on both sides. They could be different. Then towards the bottom, we're going to curve in towards the middle. And then right here, we're going to draw her foot curving up and down. And we can do the same over here, curve up and down into the middle. Now for the bottom of her feet, let's curve around and connect. They kind of look like ovals. And then we can draw the toes. We're going to draw two curves on each foot. And then in between, we can connect her feet together. Okay, now for her arms, we're going to draw them coming into the middle. So we'll start here. We can draw a diagonal line on both sides coming in. And then we can draw her little paws or fingers. We're going to draw 1, 2, 3. And then the bottom of her arm. And then we can do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3. And then the bottom of her arm coming out to the side. If I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video for more time. Okay, we're missing one last thing. The important thing, her beaver tail. We're going to draw it curving out from the side. Come around, and then we're going to connect back into the bottom. And we did it. Oh, let's also add eyebrows. There we go. Now we did it. We finished drawing her, except we still need to color. This part we're going to fast forward, so remember to pause the video again and take time to color your drawings. All right, I'm all finished coloring Mabel from Hoppers. She turned out so cool, all colored in. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings. I used 4 browns to color her, a light brown for her belly and her face, then a medium brown for the rest of her body, dark brown for her paws and also her ears and tail, and then a really dark brown to add the extra texture to her beaver tail. Oh, and also pink for her cheeks, and then I used a different color for the shadow underneath to make it look more 3D. But you could finish your drawing by adding an entire background. Also, don't forget to add little whiskers on her cheeks. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.